I'm Arsalan from Trading Robot, and this is the first on Assistant Trading Robots. I plan 3 videos per robot category. Upcoming videos will detail, with examples. Assistant Trading Robot is the first category and bestseller. These robots give entry points and perform calculations. On the website, this category is in blue with 4 robots: Ikimoku, Mexicano, Banking Strategy, and Team 45. The Assistant Trading Robot is the first category and, of course, the bestseller. These are the robots that provide you with entry points and perform a series of computer calculations for you. On the website, you can see this category highlighted in blue. And right now, there are 4 robots that do this: Ikimoku, Mexicano, Banking Strategy, and Team 45. These are the Assistant Trading Robots that do the computer calculations for you, ultimately leading to an entry point, like a buy signal. They get added to your screen after you purchase their subscription. For example, if you buy the Banking Strategy, these Assistant Trading Robots perform calculations, leading to a buy signal. How do they get added to your screen? After purchasing a subscription, enter the dashboard. Choose your subscription and add it to your cart. Enter the section, read descriptions, watch the video. The internet has been weak, so expect issues. There are text explanations and videos for each. Choose a subscription, 1 month, 3 months, or annually with a discount. Add to cart and enter your TradingView ID here, KindBot ID. Enter your TradingView ID and a contact number for any issues. After adding to cart, ensure you don't double-click. Click checkout and proceed to payment. After payment, within 3 to 4 hours, invite-only script will be added to your indicators. My TradingView idea? You post your TradingView idea here, and you enter a contact number. Add it to your cart. Select checkout and pay. You'll see invite-only script in your indicators. Add the trading robot for signals. For lower time frames, avoid noise. Consider opposite signals. If buy, consider sell. Training shows strategies. From here, you can add the Assistant Trading Robot to your site and it will give you buy and sell signals. For short time frames, like 1 or 5 minutes, the suggestion is to avoid market noise by not trading during certain candlestick patterns. If it says buy, consider selling, and vice versa. I will discuss. 3. The Banking Strategy, Ikimoku, Mexicano, and Team 45. Tutorials show strategies. Focus on banking, Ikimoku. Discussing 3. Banking Strategy, Ikimoku, Mexicano. Robots give entry points, not stop loss, and don't auto trade. Use any TradingView device. Traveling? Connect anywhere to see robots. These robots provide entry points, but not stop loss points. Access them on any device with TradingView. If traveling, connect to TradingView via email from any location. To see your trading robots in the indicators section, I'll add the robot to the page. They work on all time frames, from 1 minute to weekly. Once added, they provide entry points. For example, here it gives a buy signal, and then you can see the results. You see the engines of this robot. Adding the robot to the page, working on all frames. Robots operate from 1 minute to weekly, even 30 seconds for premium users. Once added, they provide entry points, e.g. a buy, then a sell signal. Each signal's meaning is explained in videos. After tutorials and purchase, you can use it. E.g. an Iranian exchange gives a buy signal. I go to Nima, Walex, Nobitex, or Exer to purchase. Set stop loss. Using KuCoin, take leverage on Binance or KuCoin. It's like a signal channel, giving 1 signal a day. Buy and sell signals have meanings explained in the videos. Use the robot. Purchase on Nima, Walex, Nobitex, or Exer. Leverage on Binance or KuCoin. Create signals for any time frame. Become an expert with this robot. I trade on exchanges like Nima, Walex, Nobitex, Exer, or others, setting stop losses. On KuCoin, I might leverage on Binance or KuCoin. This acts as a signal channel, offering 1 signal daily. This robot lets you create signals for any time frame, with varied stop loss and take profit levels. It helps you become an expert using. This robot lets you create custom signals for any time frame. You can set different stop loss and take profit levels. Become an expert with this robot, which is a code trained in areas like banking strategy or price action. The balance or Mexican Ikimoku are also coded with standardized rules. If you take price action classes, you'll get buy signals here. This robot provides buy signals without classes. You'll know when a support level forms. For example, if the next candle turns red, wait for a breakout, then sell. These strategies work on any exchange and time frame. Let me add the Mexican Ikimoku robot to the page. I can remove the Ikimoku itself to avoid clutter, focusing on buy and sell signals. Mexican Ikimoku, trainings with rules. Price action classes give by signals, but this robot provides them without classes. A support level forms. If the next candle turns red, wait for a breakout to sell. These strategies work on any exchange or time frame. Mexican Ikimoku robot, removing Ikimoku to avoid clutter, focusing on signals. You can see the signals. Don't sell if the next candle is in red. Enter on a buy signal if the next one is green. It has 4 signal types, providing entry points. It gave a sell signal, and it works on any exchange. These are all coded strategies. Trade on any time frame. Remove Ikimoku to avoid clutter. Work with buy-sell signals. See buy-sell signals. Taught where to sell. This signal is skipped as next candle isn't red. Enter on buy signal as next is green. These points are taught. It has 4 signal/settings, providing entry points. Here it gave a sell signal, visible on any exchange. See it on TradingView Mobile, then trade. You see buy and sell signals. We don't take this sell. The next candle isn't red. This buy. The next one is green. We enter. It has 4 signal types and settings, giving entry points. It gave a sell signal. You see it on TradingView. Then trade on the exchange. When trading, consider leverage. If a sell signal is on this candle, set your stop at previous highs. For risk and reward, aim for a ratio of 1.5 or 2. On a lower time frame, if your stop is 1 or 2% with leverage of 10, profit could be 1.5% if the price moves in your favor. How much leverage should I take? If the sell signal is given on this candle, set your stop at the previous highs. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 or 2. On a lower time frame, if your stop is at 1 or 2%, consider a leverage of 10. This could yield a profit of 1.5% if the price moves in your favor. If you want more risk, increase your leverage. For buying, when a buy signal or buy plus is given and the next candle turns green, enter at the close. Set your stop at the lower low, aiming for a risk-reward of 1.5 or 2. Profits can appear. Increase leverage for risk. When a buy signal and green candle appear, enter at close. Set stop at lower low, aim for 1.5 or 2 risk reward. With a small stop like 900, leverage of 20 means 2% risk, 4% profit. Manage risk and capital. If unsure about signals, like a sell signal without a red candle, it's okay to skip entering. He asks, how much leverage should I take? I use 20x leverage because the stop is small. If it were 10, with 20x leverage, it would still be 2%, right? But you could also see a 4% profit. It's worth entering. Manage your risk and capital. If you're unsure about signals, it's fine not to enter. Or there's a It's worth getting involved. You manage your risk and capital. If you're unsure about signals, like a sell signal, without a red candle, trust your analysis and news. That's fine. There's also Team 45, our top trading assistant. It requires basic trading knowledge. Team 45 uses MACD, RSI, stochastic, OBV, and an oscillator to calculate divergences. Hopefully, a tutorial will be available. Team 45 is our top trading assistant robot. It uses indicators like MACD, RSI, stochastic, and OBV. It calculates divergences and marks entry points with arrows. It signals entries at candle opens. Enter at the candle start and exit at the channel's middle or bottom. Team 45 uses indicators like MACD, RSI, stochastic, OBV, and an oscillator. It marks entry points with arrows and draws channels. Enter at the candle's start and take profit at the middle or bottom of the channel. This assistant works on all time frames and is on TradingView. Check Telegram for operation details. It marks the entry point with arrows and draws channels. It gave an entry point here. It reached this point and signaled a sell. The take profit is here because we enter at the candle's open, unlike other robots that enter at the close. You can enter at the candle's start and take it to the middle or bottom of the channel. This assistant works on all time frames and is available on TradingView. See how the signal channel works. Input the numbers here and see the signals. You know the strategy, where to buy, where it signals a sell, potential mistakes, profit maximization, strengths, and weaknesses. This tool works on all time frames and is on TradingView. Use it on any exchange. Check Telegram, then enter trades. You've trained, so you know the strategy. Buy, sell, maximize profits. Enter trades. It's easier than just watching. Training leads to buy-sell signals and setting stop loss/take profit. Free training is on our page, Operat channel, and product page. Go to your exchange. Enter the trade. On TradingView, see the signals. Enter the trade yourself. It's easier than just watching. Free training is on our page, Operat channel, and website. Enter yourself. It's easier than just watching the training. Watching leads to arrows, buy and sell signals from the banking strategy. That's your training's end. After watching, you get buy sell signals, leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels. Free training is on our page, operate channel, and product page. See the banking strategy and use it. This includes the trading assistant. Subscriptions 1, 3, 6 months, and annually. Questions? Ask. People try a month, then decide. Annual is cost effective with a discount. Consider annual. We invest in our server and team. You went there, saw the same banking strategy, and you're going to use it. This is also about the trading assistant. They have subscriptions for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and annually. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Usually, people try it for a month and then decide, based on their own preferences. But the annual subscription is more cost effective because we offer a discount on it. So you might as well go for the annual one. We also know our responsibilities. We're investing in our server and our development team. If you take this plan, it also includes a special discount that we've put on the website. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you through the Telegram support.